everybody, I'm here. I've arrived in France. It's absolutely beautiful, the weather's gorgeous, and I can't wait to get inside Sharron's new house. Had a beautiful flight and everything's really good. Just showing you the drive that you come down to Sharron's gates. This is the Aldi drive, and then we get to the front of the house. Lots and lots to do, new doors, lots of renovation to do, but it's going to be absolutely gorgeous when she's finished it. Looks small, doesn't it? But when you get inside, and obviously it drops down at the back, it's a really decent size. She's going to be changing the gates as well. I think she's going to make them higher and get some electric gates that you can close yourself. Look at that blue sky. Right, so now we're going down the slope of the drive. Down some steps to the next level. Looks lovely when it's lit up on an evening, but as I said, the electrics aren't working down here at the moment. They've got somebody coming to do them to help Steve do them. It's so big. Gosh, I don't know what I'd be able to do with this garden, but obviously Sharron, I'm sure, will get it all fixed up, but I think this will be probably the last thing she's got to do so much inside. It's quite a well-established garden actually. Down to the last tier, I'll just show you where we've come down. As you can see, my shadow there, all the way down. That's the garage at the top, which is a large garage where Steve does a lot of his work. As you've probably seen him on Sharron's video, doing all sorts of things. Right, now we're going further down. Seating area there, lots of large trees and bushes. But as I say, Sharron actually doesn't know yet what's going to come out on these, what colours. Another part of it going down there. Large cactus plant there. All these plants, bushes, will be flowering, and they'll probably all come out at different times, so it's going to look absolutely gorgeous when she gets to know. We don't even know what bushes they are, but once they all come out she'll get a better idea. This is a little balcony where I showed you for the guest room, where you can sit. I'll just walk around now to the next part. Now we're going down to the next level. More steps here. There we are at the next level. And actually, this level just here is where Sharron wants to put a swimming pool. Can't wait for that. That's going to be gorgeous. See, all the little flowers are starting to come out. Pretty little yellow ones here. That's a large and some lilac ones there. That's a different bush as well. This is the other side. They're enormous, some of these bushes, aren't they? But it's all so well established. There's a nice one down here. Little coloured flowers on. Walk down to the next level. And the last level, should I say. That's just a little hut. I think it's for garden things, which is very handy. So as you can see, it's quite steep going down. That's why it's all tiered, lots and lots of steps. I'm not sure what Sharron's going to be doing with this part yet. I know the swimming pool's going over there. And then there's another large area down here. These steps are going to be changed because they're a little bit awkward walking down. Now we're at the bottom level. As you can see, if I just go over here a bit, we've come all the way down from the top. Little bench there where you can sit. So many different levels, and I think that's lovely in a garden, because when all these bushes come out and flower, it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what these bushes are, I've no idea. If there's anybody out there that knows what they are, just let us know. I'm sure Sharron will be quite pleased about that. Every little bit of help and advice is brilliant. Yeah, so this goes right down to, this is the last layer now, or the last level should I say. There's a gate here which leads down to the roadside. You can see through there, which is handy. Gate that you can get out, it's always locked, which takes you down onto the roadside to go into the town. Yeah, don't know what these are. They look like miniature oranges, but they're not. I've really no idea what these are. That's the pinky one that I like up there. So just step up to a level. I'll have to ask Sharron what they call them, but there's I think like a festival that goes on here in the next few weeks. Because of these yellow flowers are everywhere. I'm not going to be here unfortunately, but Sharron I'm sure will be sending you lots of pictures of that. Right, just going back up now. That lovely little terrace. There we go. I'm back inside. I can hear her, but I can't see her just yet. Oh, there she is. Got a mask on. She's busy standing at the moment. This is going to be Sharron's office, I believe. Office. Yeah. And you'll see all the lots and lots of renovations happening at the moment. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous when she's done. I'll just take a little walk through here and then we'll have a look at see what Sharron's doing. We're just coming through now, I think, what's going to be the games room. I think most of these walls are going to be knocked down. You see there's a little terrace down here as well, where you can sit out and enjoy the sun, which is so sweet. I love this little terrace. Obviously, the balcony Sharron's is above, which I'll show you in a moment. You might be able to see that. I could come out here a little bit. Bedroom, and there's a terrace where I've been having our dinner on an evening. Yeah, it's a nice sized little terrace. So I'll just show you in the guest room, because this is a lovely room. Come in here. Obviously everywhere is going to be renovated. This room actually just needs decorating. But it's a very large room, as you can see. Aircon. And Sharron, when she gets her ideas and decorating ideas, this will look fab. So it's just a matter, I think, of decorating. It's got its own little kitchenette, which is going to be quite handy. Obviously the washing machine's coming out of the dishwasher, so that's handy for the guests that come. They can want to make it. There'll be a little coffee machine and a little fridge. That's ideal. Little window. Look at the view from here. Every window's got a beautiful view. Then we come to it's a small wardrobe. Then we're going to the little bathroom, which is quite nice. There's no electrics down here on at the moment. But as you can see, it's quite adequate. It's really nice shower. That obviously is going to be all decorated again. It's not being used at the moment. I actually shared a couple of friends over at Christmas and they stayed in this room and they really enjoyed it. So that's the little bathroom. ensuite, should I say? And then you can go back outside to the little terrace, where obviously you didn't get gorgeous weather in the summer. I mean, it's beautiful today and it's warmed up. It did rain last night, I could hear it, but now it's all clear and it's a beautiful day. She's got all this sanding of this room to do, and then she's going to fill it again, and I think then she's going to decorate. She's going to paint it.
It's got to be sanded again then.
Oh, you've got to sand it again?
Yeah.
Once it's been filled?
And then decorate.
So more sanding, and then Sharron will end up painting it.
Hopefully by the end of the week.
By next week. Lots of wires, getting ready for Steve to do his electronics. And this is going to make a lovely little office for Sharron. It's going to be brilliant.
It's quite a nice space, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. She's got a nice desk to go in. And
going here.
Oh, what, sorry?
The desk is going here.
Desk is going down there, yeah. And then she's got a cabinet for the
Filing
cabinet, which is over there.
And now a big printer there.
And then a big printer there. So it's going to be fabulous in here. Very handy for Sharron because she's lots and lots of paperwork to do and things like that. So she enjoys it. She loves a little office.
I do.
Yeah. So I'll come back in a moment when she's finished, when she started filling. And now I'm going to have a little look outside. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Right, thank you, Sharron. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. What's this room next door, Sharron, going to be?
Games room.
That's all the games room as well?
Yeah, all the walls not down.
All the walls have to come down where I've just been showing you. Plus this one, it's going to be a really very large games room.
All that one there's coming down.
This one here?
Yeah.
That's all coming down. Gosh,
It's going to
be so big. But she's got two very large Chesterfields to go in there, I think.
Chesterfield,
In
yeah.
red, I think. Did you say they were red?
I think they're like burgundy colour, yeah.
Burgundy colour. They're going to look gorgeous. And she's got the is it pool table or snooker table?
Pool table, yeah.
That's to go in. I think Steve, you've probably seen one of Steve's videos with him altering that.
My own little terrace for the office.
Another little terrace. So this is just like a hotel. So many different rooms and so many terraces. Now these are steps that lead up to Harvey's, my grandson's. It's like a little apartment. That's got a bedroom, a little kitchenette and a shower room. There she is. She's just finished the sanding. I don't know whether you can see. She's in the sunny. You must come a bit closer, Sharron. So, I don't know whether anybody. I think you will all remember Mr. Pastry that used to be on the television. Well, this is Mrs. Pastry.
Looking a bit dusty.
She is so hardworking. I've never known anybody like Sharron, and she doesn't get it from me. So I don't know where she gets it from. It must be a dad.
Shake off outside.
I'm gonna shake it all off now outside. Yeah, she must. Because her dad's a builder, and I think she must get that from him. Definitely not me.